An astonishing discovery here in New York City. A piece of landing gear found in an alley near the World Trade Center more than 10 years after 9/11. ABC's John Shriffen is in Lower Manhattan with the story. And John, where this metal is believed to have fallen from is quite remarkable.
Bianna, good morning. Remarkable indeed. Authorities believe it came from one of the planes that crashed into the World Trade Center. It is now lodged between two buildings behind me in an alley. And because this construction site for a mosque hasn't been touched in more than a decade, authorities don't know just how it got here. That's why police are on guard, treating this as a crime scene. Investigators this morning are puzzled by an alarming discovery. Take a look at this metal part of an airplane, believed to be landing gear from one of the hijacked jumbo jets that crashed into the World Trade Towers.
After such a long period of time, I'm really amazed by what is being discovered right now.
It's now wedged between two buildings just a few blocks from Ground Zero in Lower Manhattan.
The space between the two buildings is only 18 inches. Now the part has been measured to be 5 feet by 4 feet by 17 inches. It's a big part and obviously very, very narrow, confined area.
Authorities say it was found Wednesday morning by workers doing construction. Investigators soon swarmed the scene, finding a serial number on it with the word Boeing. The question now, how did it get there?
Could it have been lowered at some time? It's possible. There's a rope that's on it. Looks like it's intertwined with that part. And we look to see if there are marks on the wall, but it doesn't appear to be marks on the wall.
For many New Yorkers, it's now opening wounds nearly 12 years old. What does this mean for the families of the victims of 9/11?
I don't know, sir. We're going to have to ask the families.
Could there be remains of victims inside?
Chief Medical Examiner will do a in-depth examination of the site to see if in fact there are human remains there.
And when the police commissioner came here to look at it for himself, he actually had to put on a protective suit because they're not sure if this plane part is toxic. Authorities are handling it with care, taking their time, and they will determine on Monday just how to move it from this location. Dan, Bianna.
Sensitive situation. John Shriffen, thank you for your reporting this morning.